It's really cold, but it's so beautiful. But it's really cold.
I can't feel my hands.
Oh, it's just yummy. Yum.
You know that chocolate cake that you've had in the fridge for about a week? It's a bit like that.
You can't say that. That implies that it's stale and old. It's not stale and old. Morning!
Hey, it's our second and unfortunately final day in Venice. And pigeons are having a fight. We are going to start today like we finished yesterday, on a boat.
So yesterday we got lost in the streets of Venice. Today we're going to get lost on the boats.
Well, we got lost on the boats yesterday as well,
Yeah, no,
so
that's true.
what's different?
Basically we're going to be on boats a lot more today than we were yesterday.
Let's go. Then we're going to go climb up that thing. Although apparently there's a lift. I hope there's a lift.
I hope there's a lift. My chest can't take not having a lift. Yay! Let's go up. Already, it's a bit blurry up here, but first impressions, oh my god, look at that view!
Oh, there are bells ringing all over the city, including where we are. Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
Bit deaf now.
Basically it means you need to go to church now, babe.
Oh, I don't do church. Well, as nice as this view is, it's a bit chilly up here. So let's head back down.
Let's get out. It's really cold, but it's so beautiful, but it's really cold.
I can't feel my hands.
My fingers are numb.
It was lunchtime once again, so we sat down for a sandwich and an interesting looking dessert.
The sandwich is bigger than my head.
So what's in there?
Tuna, tomato, cheese and lettuce. But it's bigger than my head.
So that's like a salami thing with some lettuce, pepper, cheese in a wrap.
Toasted.
How does yours taste?
Yum.
The peppers are being cooked, probably roasted I'm guessing, so they're quite nice and soft.
That's enough about sandwiches. We're here to try this, which is called Pan Pescatori Al Pistacchio, which translates as fisherman bread. We saw them all over Venice. Ooh, it's like a cookie. Look at that. It needs a cup of tea, but it's like a soft cookie, chocolate and pistachio. Oh, it's just yummy. Yum. I like a cookie. It's not a bun, it's a cookie.
When I see green like that, I immediately think mint.
Nope.
My mouth is going to be very confused when I bite into mine.
This is almost going to be like your lunch you had yesterday, which was black and looking gross, but actually was really yummy. This is green. It looks minty, but it's not minty.
Yeah, so what do you mean? It needs a cup of tea.
It needs a cup of tea.
It's quite a little dry,
Yeah.
but it's quite nice. Reminds me of something I had before, but I can't think of what it is. Yeah, I quite like it. I really can't think of what it reminds me of. At least that consistency. So I've just remembered what it reminds me of. It's kind of like, you know that chocolate cake that you've had in the fridge for about a week? It's a bit like that. It's kind of dry, except it doesn't taste stale. You've got that consistency of cake that's gone really dry, but it's nice with it.
You can't say that. It doesn't remind you of cake that's been in the fridge for a week. That implies that it's stale and old. It's not stale and old. It's yummy.
I mean, we're allowed our own opinions, right?
I'm right. You're wrong. But it's fine. Kenny, you can cut that out.
Fran has discovered some sort of garden thing. I personally had no idea what's in there. I'm sure Fran can tell you more.
No, it's got trees and it's green.
It's
So
so
we're going
much
there.
shorter down there.
Yeah, because I'm down here.
So we're going to get on the boat again to go to the garden. Because we always like a garden, but we've not seen a single piece of greenery in the whole time we've been in Venice. So we're going to check that out. But I suppose it's totally understandable because this whole city, you know, space is at a premium.
We're at the garden, yay! So the garden wasn't quite what I was expecting, but it's still pretty. And there's trees and it's green.
Yeah, I'm sure it'd be nicer in the summer.
And all the trees have leaves.
Yeah. Although I feel like I haven't actually been to a country properly unless I've walked on natural ground.
Well, there you go.
If it's all just tarmac. It doesn't seem
Real.
Yeah.
So we've done that now.
There you go.
We've walked on grass.
Life goals achieved.
Right, so that's our time in Venice over. So we're gonna hop on a water bus to the airport. Yay!
Never said that before.
Never said that before. Yeah. Venice has been fun. It's been beautiful and amazing and everything that I thought that this beautiful city would be, which is great.
Said I wish we'd come at a warmer time of year.
Yeah, I think all of our travelling so far should be done in the future. Should be done in a warm time of year. Just travelling with lots of jackets and gloves because fingers want to fall off. It's not cool.
Yeah, trying to travel light like we are in the winter is more difficult when you have to wrap up warm.
Yeah.
So if you are looking for a long weekend away using just the smallest bags that Ryanair will allow you, it is possible.
It is possible.
Just takes a bit of planning.
And tight rolling.
Tight rolling.
the airport, sir.
And that's us leaving Venice. It's been lovely. Maybe we'll come back in the summer.
Not the summer, the springtime, because it gets really, really hot here and then it's muggy, disgusting, and people say it smells.
When it's warmer.
Yes.
Come back when it's warmer.
When it's warmer.
Not when it's too warm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to sign off here and we'll see you next time. We made it to the airport. That was an interesting ride.
It was so easy and fun. Pyrenees mountain dog. They have double thumbs on their back feet.